Hello and welcome to this PyTorch tutorial series. Now this is the website of PyTorch. PyTorch is a machine learning library developed by Facebook's AI research team, and it's pretty cool, pretty easy to build and train neural networks. And here you can find information for the installation part. Installation part can be pretty annoying, but stick with it because PyTorch is pretty awesome for building neural networks and training them. And in this introductory part, let's build a simple neural network. Now after the installation, we can import Torch, and we will also import other packages like torch.nn and torch.optim. So in PyTorch we can define our neural network by creating a class which will inherit from nn.module. And there are two central functions we have to implement. First of all, the constructor, and the forward function, which defines how the input should be processed through the network. Now first let's begin with the constructor. The first command has to be the call of the superconstructor. Now what we will do is creating attributes which represent the layers of our network. So self.hidden is the linear layer, standard linear layer of the package, and we can define the number of the inputs. Here we have 5 and 10, and the same we will do for the output layer. Now in the nn package we will also find convolution layers or also pooling. But first of all, let's stick with the standard fully connected layer. And the number of input units here are the number of output units in the hidden layer, so 10 for input and let's say 5 for output. Now we are finished with the constructor. Now let's go to the forward function, and we can put the input, we can take the input in the hidden layer just by calling the hidden layer. It's pretty easy, and we can do the same for the output layer. Okay, now we can return the output and we are finished. Now the problem is we have forgot to use nonlinear activation function. For that, let's import another package, nn.functional. Now we can use, for example, the sigmoid function, and we are finished. Now using an activation function can be pretty useful. It's really important because with that our network is able to be more powerful using nonlinearity. And now we can create our model, and let's create a random array as input for our model. We can do this by using the random function of PyTorch. And since our model is now callable, we can feed it in. and can print the output out. Okay, let's try it out. We should get 5 numbers. Now this is quite randomly, of course. But okay, I think as an introduction it's good. And that's it. Now in the next video you will look at how to train our network using PyTorch, to update the weights to a minimum, and to get good results for using it to maybe predict something. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.